And you know you're going to be on YouTube, right?
Yep.
And do you want me to be excited?
Yep.
All right. I think I'm getting used to it. All right. So we did tape all that, right? Oh my God. And we have another taste tester with us.
Yes.
Joey is with us. Thanks for joining me, Joey.
No problem, Wilma.
This is going to be exciting. So what I want you to do is look at each cake, and just by judging by the way it looks, which one do you think you're going to enjoy the most?
A.
You're choosing A?
Yes.
This is the one you think that you're going to like the most. Pick number 1 is A. So which do you think is the least?
C.
C is the least. So A, B, C. Okay, so now we're going to blindfold Joey, and we're going to see which one he likes the best. Blindfolded. Are you ready?
Yes.
Open wide. He's very serious.
That was good.
That was good?
Yes.
Okay. You've been waiting for this? Been called in for duty? All right, so now we've got the next piece of cake, and open wide.
This one is a little sweeter.
A little sweeter.
Yeah.
So out of the two, which one do you like better out of those first two?
I can say they're perfectly good, but the first one I had was better than this one I had.
All right. Okay. So now we have cake 3 coming. Okay. All right. And open wide.
This one is very good.
Very good as well.
Yes.
Okay. So has it surpassed the other two? Is it like at the top of the ranking, or is it better than that one that was at the bottom? Is it?
Better.
It's better than the one that's at the bottom.
Yes.
Okay. So
the first one I had and this one, I can say they're both.
all right.
beautiful.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is going to give you another tasting of these the tiebreakers,
Yeah.
and then you can eliminate that way. How's that? Does
Sounds
that sound
good,
like
yeah.
a good idea? Okay. So yes,
Yeah.
that's right. That's the first one that you tried, and then you're torn between that one and this one. So hold on. Okay, I'm ready.
I say this one.
You like this one?
No.
Okay. There's 3 mystery ingredients in the cake and 3 mystery ingredients in the frosting. Okay, I think you're ready for your revealing. You can you can take your mask off now. So I've got it. No. Your picks were. No, it's just yours because you can nibble away. So you went A, B, C. So this is what you picked visually. You said you're going to like this one the most, then this one,
Yeah.
and then this one. And then when you picked, you did A, B, and C. That's unbelievable. You are the first taste tester that has done that.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Yeah, you're the first taste tester that did that. Right? Oh my God, I can't believe that. Way to go. That's interesting. That's
Nice.
really interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
This one,
I'm shocked. Like, I'm blown away that you actually did that. Interesting. And then the ingredients, well, that was definitely a challenge.
yeah.
So let's see. Cake A, which is the one that you said that you really liked. You said walnuts and rose water. There's rose water in there, but it's mulberries.
No mulberries.
Yeah. And then for B, you said cranberries and nutritional yeast. It is cranberries, because you got them on the top. No, nutritional yeast. Oh, you got that right. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. You got that right, Joey. That's incredible. Because you've never had nutritional yeast. But I guess you probably thought, well, you weren't tasting the in rose water. Have you ever had rose water before?
Not that either.
No. So you were just,
guessing.
You were guessing. Good guesser, Joe.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one. Yeah, you got both of those right. That's amazing. Okay, so for C, you said mulberries and maple syrup. So in that one, it is walnuts and maple syrup. Pretty good. You did really good. You did really good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what did you think of those desserts, Joey?
I love carrot cake. That's like baked in the oven, but this raw food dessert, like I can say that it actually tastes like actual carrot cake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And carrot cakes are one of my favorite cakes, and these raw food desserts are really good, and I would highly recommend.
You want to just scoot her off later. So we have Joey to thank for the carrot cake taste testing, right? Because Joey actually asked if it could be carrot cake.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent.
Now I'm going to finish these two.
Okay, you're not going to finish this one, I'll finish it. Yep, there's still more to come. More taste testers, ratings. So please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. See you next time. Okay, so what we do is we rate them similar as your, hotels.
Okay.
1 to 5 stars.
Right.
I don't think Daniel's smiling.
I'm trying.
There you go. Hi, we have 3 guests with us today. We've got Francine and Danielle back with us, and we have a new guest with us, Susan. So welcome everybody to some taste testing of our carrot cake.
I can't wait to
Carrot cake, and it's blindfolded. Oh, yeah.
So what happens
gonna
if we miss our mouth?
I'm going to help you. But after we had a mishap, and Judy had some of her cake falling down and missing her mouth,
Oh, no.
I'm thinking
Oh, no.
maybe I might help you along. So this is going to be a little interesting. So what we're doing.
So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our continuation of our taste testing of raw vegan carrot cakes. And please give us the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And remember, sharing is caring. And one last thing, why don't you leave us a comment below? Let us know, which one would you have picked? See you soon.